Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to a new video. In this video guys, I will discuss about whether for completing CMA Foundation, Intermediate or Final, it is compulsory to complete 100% course or with self-study we can easily crack our Foundation, Intermediate or Final. In this video with my practical journey, by my practical example or with the every aspect, pros and cons I will discuss about. So guys, first of all we'll discuss about CMA Foundation. So in CMA Foundation, my suggestion to you, in law we have only 4 chapters. In economics and management almost we can easily cover, or yes, we have to face some problem in accounts and mathematics and statistics, but my suggestion to you, in foundation we have to cover almost 100% course curriculum, or easily we can manage with more and more self study for foundation student. Now come to my strategy during foundation. So in foundation I never leave any chapter in any particular subject. If you're talking about math and stats, if you're talking about accounts, if you're talking about law, if you're talking about economics and management, so foundation student, my strategy and my suggestion कि आप लोगों को you have to complete your whole syllabus. Okay, आप लोग अपना जो है पूरा कोर्स करिए और ज्यादा से ज्यादा रिवाइज करिए. In my CMA Foundation, I have bought CA Foundation MCQ. You can see there is a scanner of CA. So I have bought a CA scanner and practice more and more as much as possible the same course curriculum. So hope foundation student will get the point. Now come to intermediate and final. So I can accept in intermediate and final there is, you can see, the large number of bulk of syllabus. So which strategy I have followed during my CMA intermediate I will discuss about with a practical example. For example, paper number 5 financial accounting. So in paper number financial accounting we have a chapter, you can see that bulky or long chapter which is known as partnership chapter. Okay, although this chapter is not difficult, but you can say that talking about concept, too many concept, from you can say the admission of a partner to till death or dissolution of partner, too many concept. First of all, if you're taking classes, so almost 1 month to complete this chapter, then 10 days or 15 days to revise again, and whenever you will revise this partnership chapter, at least 4 to 5 days you need it. So almost 1.5 month, more than 1.5 month only for partnership chapter. So when will you complete the remaining subject? Okay, my suggestion to you, every student need to understand his or her capability or weakness or positive point. Okay, weakness or strength. I know me better than, you can say that, better than others. Okay, so every candidate need to understand better than others. Okay, so my suggestion to you, I understand my weakness or strength. I always prepare you can say that planning strategy, each and everything covering my weakness or my strength. I never compare or see the rank holders, or you can say the intelligent guy. Okay, so in my CMA financial accounting I left partnership. Okay, we have also seen that in the exams you can see that 7 or 8 questions come, out of which we have to attempt 5 questions. Okay, so if we leave partnership chapter, for example in my case I left partnership and I focused on more and more other remaining subject. Okay, but if we are doing the one strategy, अगर हम लोग पार्टनरशिप छोड़ दे और बाकी के जो चैप्टर्स हैं, सपोज एग्जांपल बाकी के जो चैप्टर्स हैं उन पर भी अगर हम लोग सही से कमांड नहीं करेंगे तब दिक्कत हो जाएगी. इफ यू वांट टू सिलेक्टिव स्टडी, तो जो आपने लेफ्ट कर दिया उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट जो आप कर रहे हो you have a good or strong command whatever you are doing. Okay, in selective study, this is, you can say that, policy or procedure. अगर आप पार्टनरशिप छोड़ रहे हैं तो दैट इज ओके, बट आपको जो रिमेनिंग जो भी सब्जेक्ट आप करोगे, यू हैव अ गुड कमांड ओवर दोज रिमेनिंग कॉन्सेप्ट. सो माय सजेशन टू यू, ओके, इन 7 क्वेश्चन आउट ऑफ 7 or 8 क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू अटेंड 5 क्वेश्चन. सो आई लेफ्ट पार्टनरशिप. आई नेवर फेस प्रॉब्लम इन फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग एग्जाम्स. 100% you can easily cover. Okay, so hope you understand. Second example I can give you. Second example, in CMA final there is a subject CFR. You can say the bulky you can subject. Okay, too many concept, too much time it will take to cover the CFR. So my strategy to completing CFR, there is a 2 chapter, amalgamation or business combination in CFR. So I completely left business business combination and I completed more focus on amalgamation or on the remaining subject. The same strategy which applied in you can say business combination. In business combination it will take too many time to complete business combination chapters, then again revise and to revise, it will take around more than 1.5 month. So why I wasted my 1.5 month if I followed the same strategy. Okay, although the best thing is that if you can manage to complete the whole syllabus, that is, you can say that, a brilliant or you can say good. But if you want to do with the selective study, so you have to more focus on those aspect or those chapter which you are covering. If you want to leave any chapter, then leave, but in the other you have a good command over concept. So my suggestion to you, hope you understand. if you want to go with the self study, so easily you can crack your exam with the self study. I have also followed my strategy in intermediate or final. In foundation I never leave any chapter, okay? That is why I'm giving suggestion to foundation student, never leave a single chapter. But in intermediate or final, if you want, you can follow the same strategy, okay? And yes, you have to understand the subject in which you have a good command. If you're talking about me, my journey, I am a good in theoretical subject, or I have a good command over financial accounting, or you can say that cost and FM. So I have always scored more and more marks in this subject, or easily crack my CMA examination of foundation, intermediate or final level. So hope you find something good in this video. So I am concluding. For foundation, you need not to selective study. You have to go with the 100% course curriculum. In intermediate, if it is possible to you, it is possible you can manage with 100% completing course curriculum. That is good. So it is okay. Okay, you need not to worry. But if you have not that much sufficient time, or if you are doing job, articleship, so how if you want to go with the self study, so definitely you can go with the self study. Okay, in exam we have a 7 or 8 mark questions, out of which we have to attempt 5 questions. So if we have a good command over on the concept which we have covered, if we are leaving, that is okay, any 1 chapter or 2 chapter, but we have a 100% command over the remaining. Okay, we cannot say that in the remaining topics we also go with the selective study in the remaining topic. It is not feasible, or my suggestion to you, it is also not good. So hope you understand this point. If you have any question, or you want some more clarification, or you want to suggest me some other topic in which I need to make a video in a summary manner, so I can definitely make. Okay, this is the strategy which I have followed during my CMA journey for financial accounting you can say that, and also for CFR. Okay, we have 20 you can say this subject, but I have covered only 2 subjects, so that you can understand the strategy which I have followed. Okay, never comparison yourself with your other rank holders or your other friends. You better know than yourself than others. So analyze your strength and weakness, prepare study plan according to yourself, or you can say that choose which subject in which you are good enough, or you have a good command. So hope you find something good in this video. And after watching this video, you have any doubt, or you want some more clarification, in the comment section you can ask me. Definitely I will help you. Okay, or in upcoming time I will definitely bring such kind of videos to which you can say to better understand you which strategy I have followed during my CMA journey. Hope you find something good in this video. From my side, guys, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.